It's been a long time since I've had some headphones up in here. Let's get this bad boy open. Hey, AOMAIS, I still don't know how to pronounce this name, but this is the company, one of my favorite go-to, loudest, most ear-blasting Bluetooth speakers I own is made by this company right here. Check the review, it's a great product, definitely gotta get you one. Now they got a set of headphones, and I need to know how they sound, because if it sounds anything near what that Bluetooth speaker sounds like, oh man, we got us a good deal here. Let's open this box up. So let's see what it says before I start tearing open the box. All right, not a whole lot going on here as far as stuff. Okay, let's just open it up. Got a little plastic. We can be as disrespectful as we want to be to plastic. All right, so this is a sleeve. I'll slide this open. Ooh, shiny. All right, so we got a help card. Got some instructions here. AOMAIS voice. AOMAIS. That just came out so natural. I think that's what it is. AOMAIS. Okay, there it is. AOMAIS. That's what we're gonna call it. Check out that presentation. Got foam all around it, but they're just laid in there like, hey, daddy, how you doing? This is a nice set of headphones. Man, okay. Quality test. Build quality test right here. I gotta pick them up and see how they feel from first touch. Ooh, not bad at all. Ridiculously light. Hold on. Let me get my life together. Let me sort this stuff out. Let me put this right here because it's bothering me on that side. I am so OCD. All right, so we got a USB, micro USB charger cable, and we have a pretty nice 3.5 millimeter aux cable right here. I like that, that is nice. All right, so, and that's all you get in the box. All right, so let's just put this right here. But these headphones are, okay, we got a little plastic right there. I'll leave it there for now, just in case. Oh, because it's metal. They got to protect that metal. So, wow, this is a metal headband. Is that metal? Yeah, that's, oh man, that's metal, yeah. So it's got a very durable headband because it's metal. Let me open that up. Let me just start abusing them real quick. All right, so no crickety cracks and no nothing like that. They actually sound very solid. The only plastic I see is actually the back of the ear cup and the housing right here. I think that's actually aluminum, or is that plastic? No, I think this is plastic right here. So they swivel, as you can see, and they fold. They fold and they swivel. So you got the best of both worlds right there. There's no case or nothing like that. So, but a budget pair of headphones like this probably not gonna come with a case, and you can find them a dime a dozen. And you can actually get any case you want since they do fold and swivel. But this red stitching right here, and you got this vinyl. This vinyl is actually pretty soft. And the red stitching is actually, it's got a nice look to it, man. You got the inside right there. They didn't bother to put a big L and a big R right here because they assume that we're adults. We all got some level of education and we know which is left or right. But I really need to figure that out. Okay, there it is. That's the right one right there. It's got an R on the inside of there and there's an L right there. Okay, so let's look at the controls. On the boring side of the headphones, we got the micro USB in, and that looks like it could be a mic right there. And then on the exciting side of the headphones, we have an on, off. Wait a minute. Ooh, let's see what this is all about. So this is on. It says it's a lock. It says lock, but then it says on, and you slide it over to lock. Or no, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. It says lock in the middle, off on the left, and on the right. I gotta figure out what that is because I didn't hear them turn on. And then you got your aux in right there. It looks like some mics or something right there. One's probably an LED and one is probably a mic. Then that looks like a multifunction call button right there. And then we have a power button. Whoa, power button and a volume up and volume down, or a plus and minus. All right, so we got a power button and some kind of switch. What is that for? Are you telling me I gotta go to the instructions? Let's turn these on. Okay, I just heard that, power on. All right, they are connected for call and for music audio. Okay, let me see here. So, does volume down and up work? Okay, nothing just yet. I gotta figure out what this on and off madness is. Give me a moment.
A few moments later.
Okay, I don't see much in the instructions at all about the lock button. Let's play some music to see if that affects the button presses or not. So let me turn it. Oh, it's on. You know what? it didn't work. Let me see. So it's on right now and it did not work when I hit the volume button. Let me see. Volume minus plus not working. So I'm gonna turn it off. And okay, still nothing. So my theory did not work. All right, so let's go ahead and play some music real quick just to see how these sound. I didn't even see how they feel. Let me see how these things feel. All right, so if you got a big head, these are good headphones for you because these fit kind of loose on my head. Let me see. Yeah, not real good for my peanut head, man. They are for large-headed folks, so I'm not getting a good clamp. Let me clamp them up a little bit more. That's a metal headband, so all it takes is a couple of bending adjustments. All right, that's better, but I still got a little gap right here. Maybe if I had a hat on or some hair, it would actually sit a little better because they are pretty comfortable on my head. All right, they're pretty comfortable on my ears. It's just that it's not sitting on top of my head. So if you got a large head, then yes, these headphones will work for you. Just in case somebody was out there wondering. People have asked me that if I got a big head with these with these bits. All right, let me go to my playlist real quick. Let me see. Ooh, Studio by Schoolboy Q. Let's play that one real quick. Wow, yes. You hear that bass? Wow, this got to be some of the sharpest bass I've ever heard. That was sharp.
It's for the people that do it. I mean, do it for real though. Would you do it for love? Yeah.
Would you do it for love? Wow, okay. Everything sounds good in here. Nice, clean highs and mids, and that bass is sharp. Let me play a different genre real quick. Man, hold on. These sound so good. Hold on, let me do the volume up and plus. Or okay, so the lock was on and it wasn't working. Wow! So the lock is for accidental button presses. So if you don't want to, you know, when you be fidgeting with your headphones and stuff, and you end up pressing a button by accident, you can actually turn the lock on, and it keeps you from having that mistake. So, because it is actually working right now, and let me see if it. Yes, so it's actually the latest version of Bluetooth, I guess, because it's actually controlling the volume on my phone. Nice! Oh my God! Let me try to fit these on my head better. Oh man, I really like these. Let me try to squeeze them up on my dome. Okay. Okay, much better. Real quick, I'm gonna play some Zac Brown Band, Chicken Fried, just to see how a little bit of country music sounds real quick. On a Friday night. Okay, Zac Brown sounds pretty good. All right, let me go to that Tim McGraw, Southern Girl. That's one of my jams. I got me a Southern Girl. Let me see. Don't you know? Ain't nothing in the whole wide world like a Southern girl. Woo, man, if you don't know nothing about that right there, you better ask somebody. And then go Google it. Yes, I dig these headphones. They are a little on the large side. I need to take some time to go ahead and adjust the headband to fit my head a little better. They're just for big-headed people. But the ear cups are comfortable. I'm not usually a fan of round ear cups, but it doesn't matter with these for me because my ears actually go inside of that hole. The bass is ridiculously sharp and responsive. and the highs and mids are clean. Like, I can't complain about any other sound in these things. The mids are there. They're not muddy at all. They don't sound hollow. The highs are sharp. The overall volume is plenty. It's not like blaring loud. The max volume is plenty. They sound so good. I'm really impressed. But you know what? I told you they make my favorite Bluetooth speaker, actually. The big one that I really like, that's super loud. So I was expecting a lot from these headphones, actually. I was expecting them to hold up, but man, I don't know. This is crazy. Hey, I give them a 10 out of 10. For the build quality, nice build quality, and the sound is definitely a 10 out of 10. I say if you're looking for some headphones at a budget price, a ridiculous budget price, I would say at that, these actually blow some of the $80 headphones out of the water. I think these are about 40 bucks if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I'm looking at them right now. These are $39.99 on Amazon. I'll be honest with you, these actually compete, if not blow away, some of the $80 headphones I've actually reviewed on this channel. I think they are great. Build quality is definitely there. There's definitely an $80 build quality, and definitely an $80 sound quality out of these. I am thoroughly impressed. AOMAIS, whatever you doing, keep on doing that stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish jamming out to this Southern Girl. Don't you know? Ain't nothing in the whole wide world like a Southern girl.